Let's start building a 460. All right, we got our block and it is back from the machine shop. It's actually been back for a couple months at this point. To be honest, I don't even remember what I bored it to. I think it's 20 or 30 thousandths. And we turned the crank to, like I said, it's been a while since I ordered everything. But actually, I'll tell you what they are. Look at the rings, 20 thousandths. So block is bored 20. It was kind of egg shaped, or it needed to be bored. Basically, I had them check it. And so if we're going this far, we might as well do it right. So it's bored, crank is turned. I think it was 10 and 10 on the crank. Like I said, I ordered parts for this thing probably 3 months ago, based on what the block turned out to be. So we are ready to assemble it. The first thing I like to do, I'm going to set up time lapse just because I take my time on this kind of stuff, and I don't think y'all want to watch 6 hours of engine assembly, 6+ or what. I don't know how long it'll take me, but I'm going to set up time lapse. What you're gonna see, first thing I like to do is put the camshaft in, because I've got open access to it, and I don't put lifters in it until after the heads are on. But I go ahead and slide the camshaft in because I can get in here and oil these bearings real good, and I just got good access to it. And then I put the crank in, then pistons and rods and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna throw the camshaft in it. I've got I'll probably do a separate video on the parts on this thing. Well, maybe not. I've got anyway, there's a reason for the things I do, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So we're not going radical on the camshaft, just a little more torque. And it's a new old stock. I think it's a Speed Pro. And just because there just seems to be issues with new cams. So I've got what should be good lifters, and then a new old stock cam. So yeah, let's get busy and get this thing together. I want to get this thing back in the car. I've only got a little bit of time today, so I'm going to knock out what I can, and I'm hoping to at least get the pistons in it, but I may not get that far. But let's see what we can get done. So as you saw there, we kind of got to a good stopping place. We got all the, we got the camshaft, pistons, of course rods, crank, bearings, all that stuff's in. The next step is the heads. We're gonna have to do some work on the heads. I'll show you that on our next video on this, but that's gonna do it for today. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.